The Supreme Court today slammed the investigation carried out by Manipur police in relation to the ethnic violence and termed it as lethargic, and went to the extent of saying that there is absolute breakdown of law and order and the machinery of the state. The court was aghast to note that FIRs were not registered for nearly 3 months after the occurrences, and not many arrests have been made so far in the over 6,000 plus FIRs registered in the violence. The court directed the Manipur DGP to be personally present before the court in the next hearing. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Mishra were hearing a bunch of petitions related to the Manipur violence, including the petitions filed by victims of sexual assault. Yesterday, the bench had posed several queries to the state after highlighting the systemic nature of the violence. Solicitor General of India 𝗡𝗢𝗥𝗧𝗛𝗘, appearing for the state, informed the bench today that 6,532 FIRs have been filed and 11 out of them are related to crimes against women. The CJI asked how many of those are zero FIRs and also asked about the dates on which the zero FIRs were converted as regular FIRs. The Solicitor General said that he is not in a position to give an immediate response as the chart relating to the 6,532 FIRs was prepared by the officers overnight and he was briefed only during the day. The CJI also asked about the date of arrests in the case relating to the sexual violence video. The Solicitor General could not give a specific answer but said that it appears to be subject to correction after the video surfaced. The CJI noted that there was a long delay in filing FIRs and complete breakdown of law and order, with state police losing control. After going through the note submitted by the Solicitor General, the CJI said that one thing is very clear, that there was such a long delay in filing the FIRs. FIR was registered on the 7th of July in respect of an incident of 4th of May. It was a serious incident, CJI said, referring to an incident of a woman being dragged out of a car and her son being lynched to death. The CJI also termed the investigation as lethargic. In reply, Solicitor General 𝗡𝗢𝗥𝗧𝗛𝗘 said that the situation on the ground was bad and the moment the centre came to know, action was taken. However, the CJI stated that the current situation gave the impression that from the beginning of May till the end of July, there was no law and that there was an absolute breakdown of machinery, so much so that even FIRs could not be registered.
Today's hearing is a continuation of the hearing that has been going on, but specifically what has transpired yesterday. Yesterday, the Honorable Supreme Court had asked concerned authorities to segregate all the 6,500 approximate FIRs into different compartments, like how many zero FIRs were there, how many FIRs relating to rape, how many FIRs relating to murder, arson and everything. Now the authorities, government have filed one report today wherein 11 FIRs relating to crime against women have been segregated. Now these 11 FIRs along with one FIR which was later on pointed out by Learned Senior Counsel Mr. Jaideep Gupta, saying that this FIR also concerned crime against women because an 80-year-old woman, widow of a freedom fighter, was burned alive. This was also added later on. So in all together 12 FIRs have been handed over to CBI. This request came out voluntarily from the government side, saying that let this be the step which bring forth the motion of bringing the people's confidence back to the constitutional authorities. Now 12 FIRs have been handed over to CBI. For the rest of the FIRs, the government has been given time till Monday to segregate and bring forth the same data before the court. And the court, along with this direction to segregate the FIR till Monday, has asked the DGP of Manipur to come and assist the court in identifying, verifying the factual aspect of this data which is going to be segregated by the concerned authorities.